Hello, this is Kanosis. I decided to make a router table that I had delayed for a long time. With that first video, let's make a bit storage box that can fit in the drawer of the router table. When cutting diagonal lines, previously created laser tables are useful. To make the bit storage box cascaded, the 6mm thick wood was cut into 35mm by 200mm sizes. These woods were stacked up to 13 sheets and made into 13 steps. I dug out the part where the LED and wire would fit with the router. Wiring is done to install LED strips on the floor of each floor. Remove the sheath of the wire and work with copper wire. Always pay attention to the polarity of the LEDs. I marked the plus pole power side in advance. Temporarily secure the sides and fronts and secure the stairs. Remove the sides and work on the electric wires. Soldering is always a nuisance, but it rewards us with certain results. If there is no connection anywhere, it will be displayed right away. It's a task that needs to ensure full certainty. I want to make the bit drawer and acrylic base compatible. Use stoppers to install magnets. The magnet has a diameter of 5 mm and a thickness of 2 mm. I drilled a 4 mm long hole to put 2 magnets in each. It holds up enough with the power of the magnet and does not collapse. Be careful of polarity when installing magnets. We have to think carefully about the N and S poles to fix them as we want. Secure the side and back. Prepare an acrylic base. They were previously cut out, so I only picked out the corners. The specifications of the acrylic base are 35 millimeters by 30 millimeters by 200 millimeters. Take out the router bits from the drawer and position them on the acrylic base. It fits well only when drilling with a drill bit 0.1 millimeters larger than the specification of the bit. When doing this, drill bits from 1 millimeter to 13 millimeters in 0.1 millimeter units are very necessary because there are so many places to use. Use a countersink to surface the opening of the hole. And let's put magnets in the acrylic base. We have to pay attention to the polarity of this as well. When I drill a hole and insert a bit as designed, there is a strange pleasure. I love being standardized and organized. It's not just a matter of likes and dislikes, but I think it's an important factor in thinking about the surrounding atmosphere and setting the basics of work. It's done. It's beautiful to put all the acrylic bases on and turn on the LED lights. This piece is a bit storage box that will fit in the drawer of the next router table. My router table is going to make the top transparent acrylic to make it visible inside. I think it will be a new attempt. Please look forward to it. Thank you.